talk about using baking as a way of darkening light coloured spoons, but one of the problems with this is that the baking process itself can make the spoons brittle. So what's a good alternative? Well, here we can start with a light wood like this. This is Brazilian pepper. As you can see, in its light form, is pretty boring. But what I use is a diluted solution of bicarb soda. I dilute it down to just that dilution point, so there's a little bit of bicarb powder left in the water, and this is the result. As you can see on this wood, again Brazilian pepper, it gives a really nice dark colour to it. This is great because it doesn't have any risk of making brittleness or cracking your spoon, and it gives a interesting colour, generally a browner colour rather than the greys that can sometimes occur when using the iron sulphate, the steel wool in white vinegar. And you can put multiple applications, dip this multiple times in order to try and get this a bit darker and darker and darker again. So give bicarb of soda a go. It's an interesting and quite safe way of colouring your spoons.